Hello, in this video we will complete our lesson 5-1, which is polynomial functions. Now, the degree of polynomial functions affects the shape of its graph and determines the maximum number of turning points or places where the graph changes direction. It also affects the end behavior or the direction of the graph to the far left and to the far right. Okay, note that here we have polynomial functions. For example, y equal 4x to the power 4 plus 6x cubed minus x. Note that the end behavior here is up, and the turning points, as you can see here, and the function is decreasing when x is than negative 1.07 and when x between negative 0.27 and 0.22. And the function increases when x between negative 1.07 and negative 0.27, okay, and when x greater than 0.22, okay. Here x is decrease, increase, decrease, increase, okay. And the second one, y equals x squared plus 2x. Note that the end behavior is down, as you can see here. Okay, turning point at 1, 1, and the function is increased when x greater than, when x less than 0, and the function decreasing when x greater than 1. Y equal x cubed, and behavior is down, up, down, up. There is no turning point, and the function is increasing for all x, okay, for all real numbers. Note that here we have y equal negative x cubed plus 2x, as you can see here, and behavior is up, down, and turning points, as you can see here, negative 0.82 with negative 1.09 and 0.82 with 1.09. The function increases when x less than this, and the function is increased when x between these two numbers, okay, which is negative 0.82 with 0.82. Now you can determine the end behavior of a polynomial function of degree n from the leading term ax to the power n of standard form, okay. Now note that if a is positive, ax to the power n. If a is positive, then the function up, or down, okay? Up, if n is even, down, when a is positive, then the function, if n is even, then the function is positive, when if a is positive and n is even, then the function is up. If a is positive and n is odd, then the function down, up. When a is negative, then the function down when n even, and the function up, down when n odd, okay. So when n even, again, when n even, then the function up, or down, okay. Up when a positive, down when a negative, okay. Now when n odd, then the function down, up, or up, down, up if a positive, up, down if a negative, okay. Note that we have y equal 4x cubed minus 3x, okay. The degree of this polynomial is 3, so the function is up, down, or down, up. This depends on the coefficient of x, the leading term, okay, of x cubed, Since n is odd and a is positive, then the behavior is down, up. And here the function is down. Why? Because we have even, 4 is even, and it's opens downwards, okay. Now how can we graph a cubic function? Y take points, independent points, and take the image of these points, then plot it in the xy plane, then join them, okay, by line. It's very simple. Now using differences to determine degree. Okay, what's the degree of the polynomial function that generates the data shown at the right? Look at here. X negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and y negative 1, negative 7, negative 3, 5, 11, 9, negative 7. Okay, now a set of polynomial function values. We know a set of polynomial function values. Now we need the degree of the polynomial function. How I can do that? By check the first differences of y values, then check the second differences, then the third differences, and so on until they are constant. Note that the y values here, the first difference, negative 1 negative 7 is negative 6, negative 7 negative minus negative 3 is 4, negative 3, the difference between negative 3 and negative of 5 is 8, and the difference between between 5 and 11 is 6, and 11, the difference between 11 and 9 is negative 2. Difference means y2 minus y1. So here negative 6 means negative 7 minus negative 1, and here negative 3 minus 7, and here 8 minus 3, 11 minus 5 is 6, 9 minus 11 is negative 12, negative 7 minus 9 is negative 16. Okay, now here 4 minus negative 6 is 10, 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 8 is negative 2, negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8, negative 16 minus 2 is negative 14. Okay, they are not equal. Okay, move to the third difference. 4 minus 10 is negative 6, negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6, negative 8 minus 2 is negative 6 also, and negative 14 minus 8 is negative 6. So the third differences are constant. So the degree of this polynomial function is 3 because the third differences are constant. Okay, that's enough in this video. Thank you so much.